What is linear regression? Linear regression is a statistical method used to model the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. The objective of linear regression is to predict the value of the dependent variable based on the values of the independent variables by fitting a linear equation to the observed data. Key concepts: 1. Dependent variable, response variable, the variable that is being predicted or explained, typically denoted as YYY. 2. Independent variables, predictors, the variables that are used to predict the dependent variable, typically denoted as 3. Linear equation, the equation that describes the relationship between the dependent variable and the independent variables. 1. Simple linear regression. 2. Multiple linear regression. How linear regression works. 1. Model training. Linear regression trains a model by finding the best fit line through the data points. This is achieved by minimizing the sum of squared differences between the observed and predicted values, known as the ordinary least squares (OLS) method. 2. Prediction. Once the model is trained, it can predict the dependent variable's value for new, unseen data by applying the linear equation with the estimated coefficients. Assumptions of linear regression. 1. Linearity assumes a linear relationship between the dependent and independent variables. 2. Independence, observations are independent of each other. 3. Homoscedasticity, the variance of the residuals, errors, is constant across all levels of the independent variables. 4. Normality, the residuals are normally distributed. Advantages of linear regression. 1. Simplicity, easy to understand and implement, making it a good starting point for regression tasks. 2. Interpretability, provides clear insights into the relationship between variables through the coefficients. 3. Efficiency, computationally efficient and can be applied to large datasets. Disadvantages of linear regression. 1. Linearity assumption assumes a linear relationship, which may not always be the case in real-world data. 2. Sensitivity to outliers. Outliers can significantly affect the model's accuracy. 3. Collinearity. High correlation among independent variables can distort the model's estimates and predictions. Applications of linear regression. 1. Economics, predicting economic indicators like GDP and inflation rates. 2. Healthcare, estimating medical costs and predicting patient outcomes. 3. Marketing, forecasting sales and analyzing customer behavior. 4. Engineering, predicting material strength and failure rates. Conclusion. Linear regression is a versatile and powerful tool for predicting continuous outcomes based on input features. By understanding the relationship between variables, linear regression can provide valuable insights and accurate predictions for various applications. However, it is essential to be mindful of its assumptions and limitations to ensure reliable results.